Okay, y'all. So, for some time, I've been thinking of a prank for my family. So, this crazy prank just came to my mind for me to call my husband and tell him I ran into my house. Okay? Or either I ran into the parked car outside. Okay? So, I'm going to call him up. He's actually on his way home from picking up my daughter Lanisha from work. I'm gonna put him on speaker. Get on.
Yeah.
Jamel.
Yes.
Oh my God.
What?
I want to cry.
Why? What?
I ran into the side of the house on my car.
Baby, how did you run into the side of the house on your car?
I didn't realize my feet wasn't on the brakes, I turned around to get something, and I guess I thought I parked the car, but it was kind of like in the middle of parked in whatever. So the car was kind of like slow rolling. Oh my God, my shit is all scratched the fuck up.
Send me a picture.
Jamal, I'm just too upset if I can do it right now. Like, if Jalea would have sat down in the car and not been moving around, and I ain't have to keep talking to her.
Wait. What side of the house you ran into?
You know where I park my car at all the time. So I kind of wasn't all the way over. I don't know. It's like scratch. Like I'm scared to even. It's not the whole side. It's like the side of the bumper. The side. It's not like the whole car.
The front bumper?
Yes, the side of it. The whole shit. Like the light thing is messed up. It's just fucked up right now. It looks really bad. From the little bit that I could see, I don't even want to back up.
Alright, John. I ran.
I don't even want to get the phone because I'm so upset because Jalea don't know how to sit still. Oh my God, look at this.
She hit the side of the house with her truck.
Oh my God. And I know I know my bumper got a dent. I know it do because it was like, it just went again. It just is like, boom. And all you hear is shh. I mean, you like quiet and I'm just like.
What you want me to say? You did it. What you want me to say?
Something. And not that I did it.
Baby, there's nothing for me to say to you. Like, okay? Like, it's a vehicle. It can be fixed. Like, you already know I don't... I don't overexcite myself about shit like that. It is what it is.
But I'm the one that gotta drive it. I mean, that's extra money that gotta come out of pocket. Like, I'm just so upset. Like, this.
How?
Oh my God.
I told you to take a picture of it and let me see.
Why I'm gonna do that? You can see it when you get home.
Alright, so I'll see you when I get home. But ain't nothing for me to say.
All right.
Alright. Yeah.
So where you at? How far are you?
I'm on the back road.
All right.
Alright.
Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is put these shades on so when he get here, he can't see my real facial expression. So I am just going to turn my camera on him. So I got my earbuds so it could look like... It's supposed to be a prank! Come here!
Well, you can't put none of that shit on Facebook.
Why? Why I can't? I thought I was recording, y'all. I missed it.
Good. Good.
Me and Mommy had an idea.
So, my prank was a failure. But it's okay. It's okay. It's more to come. So, hold on. Let me get this. More pranks to come. So, it's not the end of the world. It's okay. I thought I pressed record and I didn't. So it's okay. I'm going to get him again. Now I just got to work on getting another one of my family members and get them really, really, really happy. So,
I mean to brush though, my bad.
Stay tuned to another prank by me. I need y'all to comment below and tell me what you think about my very first prank. Give my video
down below.
Give my videos thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and share. All right.